వివరాలు చూస్తే ఏపీ అసెంబ్లీ బడ్జెట్ సమావేశాలు ప్రారంభమయ్యాయి. కరోనా తీవ్రత అధికంగా ఉండటంతో గవర్నర్ బిశ్వభూషణ్ హరిచందన్ రాజ్భవన్ నుంచి ఆన్లైన్ ద్వారా ఉభయ సభలను ఉద్దేశించి ప్రసంగించారు. గవర్నర్ ప్రసంగాన్ని వీక్షించేందుకు అసెంబ్లీలో, మండలిలో ప్రత్యేకంగా స్క్రీన్లను ఏర్పాటు చేశారు. సీఎం జగన్, ప్రతిపక్ష నేత చంద్రబాబు, ఎమ్మెల్యేలు, ఎమ్మెల్సీలు హాజరయ్యారు. రాష్ట్ర ప్రభుత్వం ఏడాదిలో సంక్షేమ రంగానికి పెద్దపీట వేసిందని గవర్నర్ బిశ్వభూషణ్ హరిచందన్ చెప్పారు. ప్రభుత్వం సాధించిన విజయాలు, లక్ష్యాలను గవర్నర్ వివరించారు.
Socio-economic ecosystem of the village are changing and changing for good. What you see on entering villages is secretariat for 541 different services with the timelines for each service from ration card to onwards will be available. Ongoing further, there will be a Raitu Bharosa Kendra, which serves as a one-stop center for all agriculture and allied sector needs. Advises farmers on crop pattern, supply of quality inputs, e-crop booking, facilitating crop loans, input subsidy, insurance, and facilitating marketing facilities besides buying the produce by ensuring minimum remunerative prices. My government is planning to establish OISR Janata Bazar to ensure sale of produce of village and ward level itself. If you go still further, there will be OSR clinic with 54 types of medicines which act as a primary referral point for OSR Arogyasri. Adjacent to it will be a school where English will be the medium of instruction from primary level. Education, health, agriculture and marketing as a cluster in every village. This is how our rural areas will be shaping up, and my government is proud to unveil this landscape. The welfare schemes will be delivered by the staff without any consideration of caste, creed, religion or political affiliations, and all eligible persons will get the benefit on saturation basis. The village ward secretary system has brought a sea change in the basic administrative structure, and in the coming days it will further amplify the effect, and I'm sure about it. Women welfare, besides depositing the money for children education to the mother's bank's account and registering house sites in the name of the women of the household, my government has taken numerous other measures for women welfare. The zero interest loan would benefit 91 lakh and rupees 1,400 crores was deposited for the benefit of self-help groups. Every group will get from 30,000 to 40,000. Asara will benefit the women SHGs in clearing the loans amounting to about rupees 27,000 crores, which has been promised in 4 installments at the time of general elections, while the Chautha provides financial assistance to women belonging to scheduled castes, scheduled tribes, BCs and minorities who are in the age group of 45 to 60 years. They will be getting rupees 75,000 in 4 years. To empower women on the political and economic front, 50% reservation are provided in nominated posts and nominated works. Our government has brought in a Disha bill to take fast and stringent actions against those involved in crime against women, and Honorable President's assent is awaited. Development.